I will be. Um, it looks like. Am I audible? Oh, there you
Yeah,
go.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, great. I'll be sharing the screen right now, and I would love you to see the presentation that I have prepared today for all of us here. I would like to tell you. I don't think it's opening. There. I would like to tell you about augmented reality. And let me just tell you a little bit more about what I am. I am a strategist in this AR agency in Arzilla, and we are specializing in developing augmented reality experiences for manufacturers, retailers, and even end consumers. I'll be telling you today more about the types of augmented reality and our work that we've done in these fields. The agenda for today would be I'll tell you again about what augmented reality is. I'll share some statistics with you. I'll be telling you the difference between web AR and social AR. I'll be sharing cases that we had for both of these things, and I'll also be sharing some world market practices for you concerning garment manufacturers and retailers. And in the end, I'll tell you how exactly we work. So if you are talking to an AR agency, what the steps will be and what the procedure will be for you to get this activation ready. Augmented reality is all about placing things that aren't actually there in the real world. Since you're in Asia, I believe that TikTok or maybe WeChat, hopefully Snapchat, are familiar to you. And you probably know those fun things they have when you can actually place, say, ears in your head, or you can augment your face somehow, or add a puppy's nose to your face. So you add things that aren't there, and that's what augmented reality is about. It allows you to superimpose objects, some data on top of the real world. Augmented reality is, as we know it, mainly for fun. It's fun to play with effects on Instagram, for example, and masks on Facebook, and filters in Snapchat. It's fun, it really is. But augmented reality has other implications. Augmented reality allows you to see things from different angles, allows you to look at things from a different perspective. One of the I'll be showing you cases, and so I'll be telling you more about what augmented reality is as we look at particular examples. Some statistics and figures to prove that augmented reality is actually a way to go are here. The favorite question of mine would be what part of buyers prefer AR ads over the common video-based experiences? And that question is it's the second column from left, where it says 22% and 78%. So the answer is 78% of buyers in the US want to see AR ads instead of the common experiences, common ads. And the conclusion to make here is that it's not that they want to see those ads, it's that they expect those ads to be there. Augmented reality is turning to be more popular. Consumers aren't afraid of it as they once were, and augmented reality is very democratic, which means that it's available to a lot of people. AR provides 10 minutes average dwell time. So dwell time is the time you spend with an ad. If your dwell time is 2 minutes, this means that your brand gets your viewers, your customers' full attention for 2 minutes. And that is a very important thing now, considering how people are overfed with ads. So having this major and very strong tool in gaining attention is a very important marketing advantage as opposed to your competitors. I will be sharing this presentation with the moderators, and then after that, you can be, finding this data again after moderators share it with you. Otherwise, this data is actually a collection of the available reports and information that we actually see on the internet. So if you want to learn more about that, you could always contact me. I'll be sharing that with you. Or basically go to Google and look for statistics in Google. I'll be telling you slightly more about web AR and social AR. So augmented reality is a very wide field, and web AR and social AR are its types. So on the one hand, we have web AR, which is, it's written on the slide, it's easy, it's in browser, it's no app, it's no installs, and it's there for you. So you just follow a link to get to this web AR experience.